Poulet coco. Poulet coco is a chicken dish cooked in coconut milk and flavored with Comorian spices. It is often served with rice and vegetables. Bananes jaune flambés. Bananes jaune flambés are a popular dessert in Comoros. They are made with ripe plantains, butter, sugar, and rum, and are often served with a side of vanilla ice cream. Samosas. Samosas are a popular snack in Comoros, and are similar to Indian samosas. They are typically filled with vegetables, meat, or cheese, and are often fried or baked. Cooking techniques. Comoros cuisine features a range of cooking techniques, many of which have been passed down through generations. Some of the most popular techniques include grilling. Grilling is a popular cooking method in Comoros, especially for seafood. Langoust and fish are often grilled and served with a side of rice and vegetables. Stewing. Stewing is a common cooking method for many traditional Comorian dishes, such as Mataba and Poulet coco. Stewing allows the ingredients to blend together and create a flavorful and hearty dish. Baking. Baking is a common cooking method in Comoros, especially for desserts. Bananes jaune flambés and other desserts like coconut cakes and vanilla custards are often baked and served with a side of fruit or ice cream. Steaming. Steaming is a popular cooking method for vegetables and rice in Comoros. Rice is often steamed with coconut milk and spices, creating a flavorful and aromatic side dish. Frying. Frying is a common cooking method for snacks and appetizers in Comoros. Samosas and other fried snacks are often served as street food or as an appetizer before a meal. Regional cuisine. Comoros cuisine varies by region, with each island featuring its own unique flavors and dishes. Here are some examples of regional cuisine in Comoros. Grand Comore cuisine. Grand Comore, the largest island in Comoros, is known for its seafood dishes and use of spices like cloves and cinnamon. The island is also known for its production of essential oils and fragrances, including ylang-ylang and vanilla. Mohili cuisine. Mohili is known for its use of locally grown fruits and vegetables, including bananas, mangoes, and papayas. The island is also known for its production of essential oils, including ylang-ylang and patchouli. Anjouan cuisine. Anjouan is known for its use of seafood and locally grown spices like cloves and cardamom. The island is also known for its production of essential oils, including ylang-ylang and patchouli. Beverages. Comoros cuisine features a range of refreshing and unique beverages, including Bissap. Bissap is a drink made from hibiscus flowers and is popular throughout West Africa and the Indian Ocean. It has a tart and sweet flavor and is often served cold. Vimto. Vimto is a sweet and fruity soft drink that is popular in Comoros and other countries in the region. It is often served with ice and is a refreshing beverage on a hot day. Comorian tea. Comorian tea is a strong and flavorful black tea that is often served with sugar and mint. It is a popular beverage in Comoros and is often served with a side of nuts or dried fruits.